Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm back into the Berkhamsted project that I would have shown you last year. I'm back in a lovely winter's evening showing the new garden office that we've installed for the client, but also just to show you this at night. It's so beautiful. So it's not very often I get the chance to show you our buildings at night, but this is absolutely stunning. Only about half the lighting on, all the colour wall wash lighting we've just got on. The main lights are still inside. You've seen these videos before, or these projects before, I'm sure. We have got an endless pool room sitting in there, this lovely Grillo Kitchen with the lighting, and then this classroom that's a multi-purpose family room. It's been a board meeting, it had Christmas dinner, they ate in it this year, so it's done so many things, and it's just so stunning. Lit up at night, multicolour. We've gone for pink today, but I just absolutely love it, and just wanted to share with you one of our projects at night where look, you could be in Ibiza or anywhere else in the world, right? This is so beautiful. There you go. So that's out of our lighting installed here with the Baker's Garden buildings over in the Berkhamsted project. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. Let me know your thoughts on how nice you think this one is. Thank you.